Hello, my dear student friends. Good morning to all of you, and welcome to your social science geography. Do you know you have to appear an unit test? For this unit test, I want to give you a syllabus of geography. In this test, you have to prepare yourself for 15 marks from geography. But where you have to study? You have to study about the geography of Assam only, but not complete the lesson, but some units of this lesson you have to read it, such as the first one is population and settlement, and next is trend of population growth, and next is distribution of population, and next is causes of population growth, and last one, that is ethnic and linguistic diversity. Okay, this much is enough for your geography, but it carries 15 marks. Now you see the marks distribution of your whole paper. It will be 50 marks, 15 marks from geography, 15 marks from history, 10 marks is for political science and economics. Okay. Now I want to give you a revision class of geography of Assam, which part will come in your unit test. Okay. In this lesson, first unit is population and settlement. Okay. Here you have to know about the population of population of Assam according to 2011 census. The population of Assam is 3.12 crore according to 2011, isn't it? And we can say as 31 million population according to 2011. This mass of population occupies 2.6% of the total population of India. That means 2.6% of India's population is living in Assam. Okay. Next is population growth of last decade. In the last decade, that is 2001 to 2011, the population growth of Assam is 17.07%. 17.07%. It is the important figure. And sex ratio of Assam, what it is? It is 958 women in per thousand male. Sex ratio means ratio between male and female. 958 female in per thousand male. And next you see in which district of Assam has highest sex ratio. Highest sex ratio is found in 974, that is in Morrigaon district. And lowest sex ratio is found in Dima Hasao, that is 932. Okay, there are lots of important figures, important numbers of figures which you have to always remind it for your exam. You remember it. Lots of figures here are found in this lesson. Next you see rural urban composition. What is rural urban composition? That means how many people of a region or a district living in rural areas or urban areas. How many percentage of rural people are there and how many percentage of urban population are there. It is the rural urban composition. So now, what is the rural urban composition of Assam? Rural urban composition of Assam, that means 85.90% of total population of Assam living in rural areas according to 2011. How much? 85.90%. 85.90% of total population of Assam living in rural areas. That means highest number of Indian people are generally living in rural areas. Okay. Now you see urban population. What it will be? It is 14.09%. 14.09% of total population of Assam living in urban areas according to 2011. Okay. Now you see the rate of urbanization is very less in Assam because 85.90% of Assam's people are living in rural areas. Therefore, we can say most of the people of Assam living in rural areas. Only 14.09% people of Assam is living in urban areas. So why it is? Why most of people are living in rural areas? Why not they are living in urban areas? It will be an important question. Why rate of urbanization is very less in our state? So what are the main causes? Main causes are types of economy. That means most of people are living in agriculture. That means most of Assamese people are engaged in agricultural sector, not in industrial sector. If industrial sector has high population, then we can consider that most of people are living in urban areas. But due to agriculture, most of Assamese people are living in rural areas. Transport and communication. Transport and communication is not well developed in Assam. Therefore, most of people are not living in rural urban areas. Next is mineral resource, lack of mineral resource. Amount of or number of mineral resources are very less amount found in our state. Okay? Because mineral resources are always related to industrialization. If the industrialization is very low in our state, then how our urban population will be increased? It is not possible because of lack of mineral resources. Next is lack of industrialization. Industrialization is very less number of industries are found in our state. Therefore, process of urbanization is also very low. Next is government policy or decision. Government decision. What it is? The urbanization process, rate of urbanization is generally based on government policy or government decision. What it is? it is totally depend on government. That we know, Assam is very famous for different crops like jute, tea, rice, rubber, etc. But based on these agricultural crops, there are very less amount of industries are going. That means agro-based industry, number of agro-based industries are very less in Assam. Therefore, lack of industrialization, the rate of urbanization is very low in Assam. Okay, so these are the different factors responsible for less urbanization in Assam. Yes. Now you see, what is the difference between rural and urban areas? Its main factor of differentiation between this rural and urban, it is human occupation or human activity. How much people are living in based on agriculture, how much people are living in based on industries. So human occupation is the main factor by which we can divide rural and urban areas. That means primary occupation and secondary occupation. Every people which are living in rural areas, they are generally engaged in primary occupation, that is agriculture. And those areas which are mainly depend on primary occupation, they are known as urban areas. Secondary occupation means industrialization. Okay, you know it. So now important point you see, highest rural population found in which district of Assam? It is Nagaon. And lowest rural population is found in Dima Hasao. Lowest number of rural population is found in Dima Hasao, and highest number of rural people found in Nagaon district. Next is highest urban population. Highest urban population is found in Kamrup Metro district, and lowest urban population is found in Baksa district. So these are different types of important points for you, that which district of Assam is most of people are living in rural areas. It is Nagaon. So this way, these are very important for you. And next you see, there are 7 first-class towns found in Assam. What is first-class town? Where more than 1 lakh people are living. What are those? First one, number 1 first-class town of Assam is Guwahati. Second one is Silchar. Third one is Dibrugarh. Fourth one is Jorhat. Fifth is Nagaon. 6 is Tinsukia, and 7 is Tezpur. Okay. On the other hand, there are 6 second-class towns in Assam. 6 second-class, where less than 1 lakh population. That is, first one is Dhuburi, second one is Difu, third one is Lakhimpur, fourth one is Karimganj, fifth one is Sibsagar, and last one is Gwalpara district. So this way we can divide different numbers of cities, first class cities, second class cities, third class cities, based on human population. Now we see, what is the population density of Assam? The population density of Assam is 398 persons per square kilometer. Population density, you know, population density means how much people are living in per square kilometer. In Assam, it is 398 persons per square kilometer. Now, another important point. Which district of Assam has highest population density? Which district of Assam has highest population density? It is Kamrup Metro, where 2010 persons per square kilometer. Second highest population density is found in Dhuburi, where living 1,171 persons per square kilometer. And next, third one is Nalbari district, where 763 persons per square kilometer. Now another question, that which district of Assam has lowest population density? Very lowest population density found in Dima Hasao, only 44 persons per square kilometer. Second lowest population density district is Karbi Anglong, where only 93 persons per square kilometer. And next one is, that is number third, Dhemaji. Dhemaji occupies third position in lowest number of population density in Assam. That is 213 persons, 219 persons per square kilometer. Okay. So now you see the population of Assam is how much? 3.12 crore, or you can say 31 million. This 31 million or 3.12 crore population of Assam not distributed all over Assam equally. Some regions are very high population density, some regions are moderate, and some regions are very rare population, that is scanty population. So what are the factors responsible for this population distribution and density? This question is also very important. What are the factors responsible for uneven population distribution of Assam? What are those factors? Number one, climate, landform, natural resource like soil, water, minerals, transportation, industrialization, historical some factors, socio-cultural factors, etc. are the important factors responsible for population distribution and density of Assam. So these factors are very important, which I have discussed in your last classes. Now you see population growth. Which district of Assam has highest population growth? Highest population growth is found in Dibrugarh district. What it is? It is 24.44%. And lowest population growth district is Kukrajhar. It is 5.19%. 5.19% population growth in Kukrajhar. Do you know what is population growth? Population growth means increase of population. What are the main causes of high population growth in Dhuburi district? Do you know? It may be another important question. We know that Dhuburi has the highest population growth district of Assam. But what are the main causes responsible for this? They may be agricultural economy. Another important factor is illegal migration, or you can say pull factor of migration. Next is, you can say, literacy. Due to illiteracy, population growth may be high. Next is superstitions. Due to superstitions, in village areas, population growth is generally high, you know it. Next is lack of government awareness. Okay. And next come to the literacy. What is the literacy rate of Assam? The literacy rate of Assam is 72.19% according to 2011. Now you have to know in which district of Assam has highest literacy rate. It is Kamrup Metro. Okay, and second highest literacy rate district is found in Jorhat, where 83.42%. Next is Sibsagar, 81.36, and next is Kasar, 80.36. These are the three states where more than 80% population are literate. Next, highest literacy rate is found in Kamrup Metro. Yes or not? And but lowest literacy rate is found in which district? It is in Dhuburi, 59.36% only. Next, you have to know about the male and female literacy rate of Assam. The male literacy rate of Assam is 78.81%, and female literacy is 67.27% according to 2011 census. Now you have to know about the religious structure. Hindu people, 61.67% of Assam's people are under Hindu religion. 34.22% people is in Muslim religion, Islam religion, and next 3.7% people of Assam under Christian religion. Okay. Next, you have to know about the largest tribal group. Which is the largest tribal group found in Assam? It is Tibeto-Burmese. Under Boru and Missing community. Boru and Missing tribal group is the largest tribal group in Assam. Next, scheduled caste population, 6.86% of total population of Assam under scheduled caste population. Scheduled tribe, it is 12.41% people of Assam under scheduled tribe. Okay. It is about your population and settlement of Assam. Next, you see population trend in Assam. There is a very important question from here, that is, give a brief description about the trend of population growth in Assam. That means what is the population growth? What is the meaning of population growth? Increase of population of a region or a state or a district. Okay. Assam population is 3.12 crore according to 2011, and Assam occupies 17th largest state based on area, but based on population, Assam position is 15. Okay, there is a chart given in your book. You have to check it in your book. From 1911 to 2011, the population growth is given there. In 1911, the population growth of Assam is 16.99. And in the next decade, that is in 1921, population growth is 20.48. Now you see, from 1911 to 1951, the population growth is not so high. It is found on between 16 to 20 only. During this period, population growth is very less. But what are the main causes of it? The main causes are high birth rate found there in this period, and death rate is also very high. High birth and high death rate. Next is poor medical facilities. Due to poor medical facilities, rate of mortality is very high. Next is illiteracy. At that period of time, that is from 1911 to 1951, the literacy rate of Assam is very low. Therefore, due to illiteracy, birth rate and death rate were very high during this period. Next is poverty and epidemics. Lots of people are very poor at that time, and lots of different types of epidemics where death rate is high death rate cause low population growth. Okay. Next you see 1961 to 1981. From 1961 to 1981, the population growth is very, very high in Assam. In 1961, it is 34.98%. In 1971, it is 34.95%. In 1981, it is 23.36%. So, 1961, in the year 1961, the population growth is highest than all other decades. It is 34.98% of population increase during this period. What are the main causes? The main causes are due to independence of our country during this period, after the independence. Next is little development in our literacy rate. Next is high medical facilities gradually coming. Gradual development of transport and communication. Migration, it may be legal or illegal. Next is superstitions. Okay, so these are the main causes which cause high population growth during this period. But from now 1991 to 2011, population growth is gradually decreasing. During this period from 1991 to 2011, the population growth is gradually decreasing. You see now, in 1991, population growth is 24.24%. In 2001, 18.92%. In 2001, 17.07%. So gradually population growth is decreasing in Assam. So it may be a question here, why population growth of Assam is gradually decreasing from 1991 to 2011. Main causes are, main factors, they are literacy. Gradually literacy rate of Assam is increasing. Next is lots of government policies. Next is protection of illegal migration by our government. Next point is modern medical facilities. And next we can say increased standard of living after independence. Next you can say increase of literacy among women. Okay, so these are the some important factors which cause decreasing population growth in Assam during 1991 to 2011. Okay, so these are the main factors where you have to explain in your question. What was the question? The question is give a brief description about the population growth of Assam. Okay, now come to the distribution of population. That means how population is distributed over Assam. You know, 3.12 crore population found in Assam, but this much of population, how it is distributed all over Assam. It is the population distribution. Based on population distribution, we can divide the whole Assam into 3 regions: Brahmaputra Valley, Barak Valley and hilly region. So this way, district wise also we can divide the whole districts of Assam, like high population density districts, moderate population density districts and low population density districts. So you have to explain any one of them, mainly Brahmaputra Valley, Barak Valley and hilly region, how much population found in these regions. You have to explain in details. The question will be give a brief description about the population distribution of Assam. Okay, this is the very important question in this unit. Okay, now you have to know about last unit. It is the ethnic and linguistic diversity of Assam. Here in this part you have to learn about the wave of migration, towards Assam. In what way different group of people are migrated to our state. What are those? First one is a strict group of people. First wave of migration found in Assam, it was a strict group of people. They are migrated from Southeast Asia. Second migrated wave is known as Tibeto-Burman language speaking Mongolian people. They are migrated from Central Asia. Okay, this way different types of migrated waves are found in our country. That is, third one is Indo-Aryan language speaking group of people. Fourth one is Indo-Aryan Islamic people. Fifth one, Ahoms. Sixth one, Kush Rajbangshis. Seventh one is British, and you know the British migrated lots of working peoples, labor peoples from different regions of Assam. And eighth one is Muslim peasants, which are migrated from East Bengal, that is from Bangladesh. So these are all about your migrated waves, which were migrated to Assam in different periods. So in this unit you have to know about this wave of migration towards Assam. Okay, so this is the syllabus for your first unit test. Okay, so you have to read in again and again at your home and try to practice the long questions and short questions also. Okay, so this much is enough for your revision class for today. Okay, and goodbye to all of you now.